Describe a vacation. Last summer, I went to Vung Tau with my family. We stayed there for 3 days. The weather was very warm, and we enjoyed visiting many tourist attractions. My favorite part of the vacation was going to the beach and swimming in the sea. It was a relaxing and fun trip. When did you go to Vung Tau? Last summer. Did you go to Vung Tau last winter? No, I went last summer. Where did you go last summer? I went to Vung Tau. Who did you go with? With my family. Did I go to Vung Tau with my friends? No, you went with your family. Did you go alone? No, I didn't. Did you go to Da Nang or Vung Tau? Vung Tau. How long did you stay there? For 3 days. Did you stay for 5 days? No, for 3 days. Did we stay there for 3 days? Yes, we did. Where did you stay for 3 days? In Vung Tau. Did I stay there or go back the same day? You stayed there. Did you stay in the city for 1 night? No, I stayed for 3 days. Was it a short or long trip? A short trip. What was the weather like? It was very warm. Was the weather cold? No, it was warm. Was it warm or rainy? It was warm. Was the weather very warm? Yes, it was. Did you like the warm weather? Yes, I did. Did I say the weather was hot or cold? You said it was warm. Was the weather nice? Yes, it was. What did you enjoy doing? Visiting tourist attractions. Did you enjoy visiting tourist attractions? Yes, I did. Did you hate visiting attractions? No, I enjoyed it. Who enjoyed visiting the attractions? We did. Did I enjoy the tourist places? Yes, you did. Did you enjoy the trip or not? I enjoyed it. What kind of places did you visit? Tourist attractions. What was your favorite part? Going to the beach. Was your favorite part visiting a museum? No, going to the beach. Did you like going to the beach? Yes, I did. Was going to the beach your favorite part? Yes, it was. Did I say my favorite was swimming or shopping? You said swimming. Did you enjoy the beach more than the hotel? Yes, I did. What did you like most? Going to the beach. What was fun? Swimming in the sea. Was swimming in the sea boring? No, it was fun. Did you swim in a pool or the sea? In the sea. Was swimming in the sea fun for you? Yes, it was. Did I enjoy swimming? Yes, you did. Was it scary to swim? No, it was fun. What did you do in the sea? I swam. How was the trip? Relaxing and fun. Was the trip stressful? No, it was relaxing. Was it a relaxing trip? Yes, it was. Was the trip fun or boring? It was fun. Did I say the trip was fun? Yes, you did. Was the trip hard? No, it wasn't. Did you enjoy the trip? Yes, I did.